Okay, good days, sir. Okay, my name is Beh Huey Siang and my metric number is 285626. So, in this video, I would like to present about my application, which is my Barter apps. So, first and foremost, we need to log in into the application first. Then, okay, because before it, I already click the remember me, so the application automatically remember the username, the email and the password of the user lah. Okay, then we click login. After that, okay, so can see there are 7 items found. So this is the list of the item, and then also at the bottom we have a pagination functions, which is the pages. Okay, in one pages we have it can consist about 6 items. So okay, we move to the next page is the back, and then this is the first page and second page. Okay, so also this is the barter page lah, for which the page for the user to see what item that they want to barter with another user. So this is the item owner page. Okay, in this for this owner, it already upload 3 items. Okay, I would like to demo to add one more item, okay, into these applications. So we need to press the uh, plus but plus button. Okay, so in the add new screen, okay, we can find the item that we want to uh, upload. So for example, okay, a plastic pails. Okay, okay, this is first picture, and then around the items. So this is the second picture. Okay, this is the third picture. Okay, okay, so the category, okay, you can select. Okay, this is container. Okay, you can type the item name, plastic pail. Okay, okay, look still new and never use it. No. Okay, then the item value almost 10 ringgit for the pail, and then uh, quantity. Okay, I have 2 pails, need to barter with other of like. Okay, and the item values is value is the price that I buy this pail before. Okay, so we press insert item and then yes. Okay, it will display in the owner page first. Okay, okay, then you can open the barter page, and then in the barter page, okay, in the first page, okay, you can move to the second page to see the new item that that the user, that owner upload. Okay, if you want to see the detail of the items, can press the item, and then in the item detail, okay, you can scroll to the left. Okay, to the left. Okay, to see the details pictures of the items. Okay, after that, this is the name, and then descriptions, item types, quantity available for this item, and then the value that the owner buy before, how much, and 10 ringgit, locations and date and time. And also, okay, if you want to search, okay, search any alphabet that consists of B. Okay, can search. Okay, this is uh, the items name that consists of alphabet B. If you want to search mini fan, okay, mini fan. Okay, search. Okay, this is the mini fan, and then click to see the detail, and there are 3 picture detail about the items. Okay, and uh, that's all for the pagination, searching, and the detailed items of the applications. And that's all for the application part. Then I will move to the coding part. um, Okay, so next I would like to present about the coding part for the application. So for this part, okay, for this part of code, okay, the code create a horizontal list of the page number as a text button, and each button represents a page. Okay, each number as a button to represent the page, and the current page is highlighted when we press it, and with an amber color. And also when a button is pressed, the current page is update and it will call load butter items with the new page number. So for this part of code, okay, the load butter items functions is method is responsible for loading an item from the server based on the provide page number. Okay, in this method, okay, HTTP post request lah, okay, to servers load item PHP. Okay, use the HTTP post method. So this requires the user ID and the page number as a parameter in the request body. And okay, if for this code, if the status in the JSON data is success, okay, it means that the items loading was success. So the functions then retrieve the number of the page from the JSON data and assign it into the variable number of page variable. So next, for this part of code, okay, this code represents widgets which will display the icon button, the search button, and when the search button is pressed, okay, the system will trigger the show search dialog functions, and then the show search dialog method or functions will open a dialog, okay, using show dialog, and inside the dialog, okay, there is a alert dialog widgets lah, okay, and then the dialog will include a text field, okay, ask the user to insert anything that they want to search. And then also when the search button is pressed, okay, the function is called with the enter search text, and dialog is closed, and the search item method or functions will send an HTTP post request to the server to search for the items based on the provide search text. Okay, it will search the similar alphabet from our item list. Okay, if the request is successful and return the response body is decoded as a JSON, and it will retrieve the items are stored in the item list. Okay, the state is then update to reflect the change. And then okay, for the last part of the coding is the item detail screen. Okay, so for this part, okay, this is the item details screen that represent the state of the item detail screen in our applications, and it will manage and update it will manage and manage lah, okay, manage the related to the items quality, quantity, and user quantity, total value, single value, and index. Okay, so the body, okay, this code represents the body of the screen is an column column widget that contain multiple child widgets. Okay, and this child widget include a card widget and with a list view of image, which is the user can scroll to the left to see the three picture of the item. Okay, the picture of the three picture from the item that the owner of the item upload inside our applications, and a container with item names, a table widgets display various detail of the item. And that's all for the coding part, okay, for these applications. And thank you, sir, for watching this video.